384.5. Oliver, I'll stop here. Get your thoughts here. You know, we saw a bounce earlier in the day on the news of a potential peace agreement, at least for the temporary, between Russia and Saudi Arabia on crude oil. So why the weakness here on the front months?
Well, yeah, we saw that announcement. It really came from President Trump's Twitter account that Russia and OPEC may be looking at a 10 to 15 million barrel production cut, which put a little bit of a bid in the corn market, which was really nice to see. The energy sector still holding on to those gains, but corn really giving it up. And there's just still a lot of fundamental headwind for the market. We've seen 97 million acres earlier this week. That doesn't do us any good to the upside. And then obviously we still have yet to see this energy sector recover. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a test of new lows. 332 was the lows from March 18th. I'm sure the market's going to trip stops and see what's below that. If the market is able to trip stops and then rebalance and hold this 330 level, potentially there would be some short covering rally or relief rally in the near future. And I was on your show on Tuesday, we kind of talked about that. Once we got past that USDA report, what more bad news could they possibly throw at this market? On top of that, the bearish sentiment is as bearish as I have seen in a very long time. And usually when everybody's on one side of the market, that's when you get an unexpected relief rally. So, again, wouldn't be surprised to see new lows in this front month May corn contract. But if we can hold that into next week without really falling apart, then I think we start to gain some ground. The other thing I'm watching very closely is soybeans and wheat. Soybeans and wheat need to hold these pullback levels here for corn to get ground as well. Corn held really well over the past couple of weeks, and I think part of that is because soybeans and wheat managed to rally 80 to 90 cents. Where would corn be if soybeans and wheat didn't rally like that over the past couple of weeks? Probably closer to $3. If wheat and soybeans can hold here, I think that bodes well for a short covering rally in corn in the very near term, but that'll probably be short-lived and sold into by producers.